All right, I don't know what I've recorded. I don't even think I've recorded anything. I fixed the paint on the exhaust manifold. I painted the heat shield for the exhaust manifold. I cleaned up the fuel pump. I cleaned up the power steering. But yeah, those are all cleaned up. Everything's ready to go. Eric is here. Well, I cleaned this up today. I got this all cleaned and ready to go. Finally, it's flipped. And we're going to do the gasket seal with the oil pan and probably the timing cover too, just to get it all done. And call it a day. Call it a day. Everything will be done. I did a test fit. I don't know. I don't think this is hitting, but I'm kind of concerned this might be in the way. We'll find out. First things first, we're gonna put the pan on, tighten that shit. I'm probably gonna flip it and then do the timing cover with it flipped. So
if I can get a fucking nice bead going here.
Sorry, dude.
She's a fresh tube. It's all good.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Drop it just straight down. Right.
I'm about to touch.
All right.
Yeah?
Drop it. Yeah. Right there. Yeah. Just grab your bolts.
I think we're good at this point.
Yeah.
All right. She's on. You know, it was painted nice and good, and then I started just saying fuck the bottom. Everything besides that point's good. It's not like it really matters.
Look at this. Now look, you got the perfect fucking gasket.
Oh yeah. How are we looking over here? Hopefully good.
Yeah, it's looking good.
Sorry. I couldn't help myself from being gay. I'm trying to find the 8mm too. Oh yeah. What the fuck is this? Oh, it's the cab to our TV. Okay.
That's it. Don't put one down there. Okay.
I see what you're doing.
You feel? And there's a dent down on the dowel.
Still turning.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
How tight do I want this? I'm so scared.
Just call it good.
I'm scared. Oh, dude, I moved it. Oh, God.
Oh God, Big Sean. Oh God, that's why that's there to lock it in place while you're tightening it. It's past 150 foot-pounds.
So that's probably good.
Yeah.
I was just gonna say, we can't spin it because this one's in there.
Yeah. That's a good thing.
Now we can take this one out.
Yeah. You Gucci gang.
And now we could spin it, technically.
Yes, fam.
But first, we're gonna take these, put them in the little timing thing. Where to go? I had it the whole time on the table just so I wouldn't lose it. We're gonna put this right here in this little hole.
I don't know what's going on right now.
What do you mean? Oh, what's up with my pen? It's unfortunate. What happened to it?
I loosened this and I was frantically figuring out. So all it is just going up and down for a second.
I'm gonna love it.
My bad.
No, I'm gonna love it when I'm editing. I'm gonna be so excited.
Alright guys, we got the timing cover on.
Shut the fuck up. Boom, boom, boom. Oh shit. Oh shit. Damn. Well, thank you, Eric. Holy shit. My camera's about to die. I gotta put some stuff back together over here that fell off. That's pretty nasty in here. But yeah, it's back together. It looks pretty good. And there's some more stuff to do, so we will be back. We'll probably continue on this video just at a different time. Alright, so as you can see, after the video clip ended last night, I put pretty much everything for the serpentine belt on and tighten that all down. So that's all good to go. This is on, nice and tight. We're probably gonna have to switch out this for the Speed6 oil stuff with the cooler on top, simply because it does have a coolant fed oil cooler, and we don't think this is gonna work how we thought it would. So it's whatever, 20 bucks wasted, not a big deal. We could use it for something else in the future. So yeah, that is what it is. At this point, the video is kind of short, so I want it to come out, and we're probably gonna paint in here. It's a nice brisk 50 degrees out, so yeah, it's pretty chilly. I got my little portable heater. This needs some propane, so no propane heat, but yeah. This, I kind of got this tapped already. I need to get 2 of these. I'll probably end up just getting 9. And yeah, we'll just run this turbo, say fuck it, save the $100 on that turbo. And then yeah. So next video, we'll be putting the subframe up, all of the suspension back on, the transmission out to put this seal on here. So we need to essentially take this piece right here off. I think it's just this piece, and then up in there's a little seal, and as you can see, there's obviously a lot of trans fluid on it, and it's nasty. So we'll clean that off with some brake clean, get it nice and pretty looking, scrub it with some red 3M pads, and maybe hit it with the wire brush just to get it a little bit cleaner. Not really sure what the plan is there. Right, so let's get into the painting. The light died. Apparently the light died. I didn't realize. It's very painty in here. About to get cooked, baby. But yeah, there we go. Second layer done of the actual like black top coat. I'm gonna go ahead tomorrow and put another coat of some gloss clear on. Probably not gonna record that though. It's enough time lapse and painting. We'll probably call it the end of the video. I did the actual bumper bar. I painted the supports that go on the rear part of the subframe. They're for underneath here. They go up onto here and shit. So yeah, we got that fixed. Nice and cleaned up. Everything's cleaned up over there. There are a few drip spots from that first coat that I did. I kind of sprayed it a little bit heavy, but it went on really good. I mean, like, besides the few spots that I oversprayed, which is whatever. I mean, it's the engine bay. It's probably gonna get scratched up a little bit and end up looking red again by the time we get everything on. And the main goal was just to get all of the rust covered and kind of do a little bit of preventative maintenance to kind of save the car as much as we can, because after seeing Tristan's, it's sad how rusty they can get. We do have some rear quarter panel rust to figure out, but we'll probably do that when the car is running. Maybe we'll go over to Eric's shop. Got to see if he's cool with that. And you know, we could just, I don't know if I'm gonna cut the quarter panels out an inch and then Bondo and, you know, like, get everything set that way. I feel like that might be a lot of work in the winter. What I did before I stored it was I fucking hit all of the spots that were bad with Plasti Dip, which is a bad idea because it's like a rubberized encoder, which would probably just like made shit worse. So it's probably going to be a little bit more rusty than it was in the rear quartz. And I mean, we can see that there, you know. So maybe we'll do something to kind of prevent it a little bit further. And yeah, that'll probably do it for this video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. We finally got the engine fully sealed up, and I'm really excited. In the next video we'll be getting the subframe on and the suspension back on, at least for the most part, and then pulling the transmission out. So I'll see y'all then.